Hi everyone, my name is Shay. Although I might show up on here as Maddie Gone, I recently was married, so sometimes it goes back and forth. I am a first grade teacher at a school in Lenexa, Kansas. I teach at Kristen McAuliffe Elementary. I've previously taught fourth grade as well, but this is my third year. So elementary education. I went to KU for my undergrad, so relatively new in the profession, but excited to be joining you for some more learning, especially about technology. My school, like I said, is in Lenexa. It's actually in the Shawnee Mission School District. If you're familiar, we have I think it's 33 now. We just had a new elementary school added this past year. 33 elementary schools. My school has about 400 students, so they're very large district covering a lot of area in the Overland Park area, Johnson County, and Kansas. I would say some of my technology strengths is that I'm really willing to try almost anything. I'm not scared of it, if that makes sense. I feel like I grew up with technology for the most part, although it's very different and has evolved a lot from then. I feel relatively comfortable, so I would say that's one of my strengths. I also, like I said, I'll try anything. If somebody says they've tried this new app or program that they really think they like and that their kids are benefiting from, I'm willing to give it a shot and do some research looking into it just to see if that also will work for my students and myself. Weaknesses is I think I can get pretty stuck into habits. For example, I was using Seesaw in my classroom, and we kind of just used it for one purpose, and it wasn't really benefiting the students as much as I knew it could be. So I've changed that, but I would say a weakness is just getting stuck in habits and maybe not utilizing everything to its fullest potential. And then another weakness is I changed grade levels from more intermediate to primary. And so trying to figure out the balance of how to utilize technology with my students in the classroom and also just for myself in order to be more successful has been a little bit of a struggle this year, but it's something I think I'll get better at as I continue. I'm hoping to get out of this class just some new ideas for utilizing technology, maybe some different apps or programs that we can use. Also, maybe just a better overall understanding of how technology benefits our students, and also maybe some of the issues that are brought up and why people aren't always on board with it being a part of their daily learning. I think that those are the main things I'm excited to and look forward to in this course. I also look forward to meeting many of you or talking to many of you again in other courses we've had together. So thank you.